Angisiyena uchwepheshe kwezepolitiki kodwa ngiyawuthanda umbuzo wakho. I remember once ngithi ngifuna ukujoina iMK ngihamba nabangani bami. Safika lapha wasixoxa usisi thizeni. Wathi hambani lana nabo Sikhotheni. Abafana bangalabo uSikhotheni ngabe nifuna uzositshontshela. And now you have to understand ukuthi as a youth sasifuna ukuthi sijoine but lapho laphela uthando for mina nabangani bami. So umbuzo wakho nguthanda cause wena uthi what is the way forward? You're not looking emumva ukuthi kwenzakalani. Njengamanje siphezulu President Ramaphosa but soon uzophuma and anyone ozongena esikhundleni sakhe would have to understand ukuthi youth le azoyiphatha ayikho interested in politics. Youth le azoyiphatha because of izenzo za government abasekho interested ukuthi kwenzekalani kwi-country yabo imali iphathwa kanjani. So what future does South Africa have uma youth labantu ekuyibona abantu abazoba obaba abazoba omama in the future abantu ekuzomela bavote? What future is there for South Africa if labo bantu bengekho interested? The first thing ngimele siyenze in order to fix South Africa is to invest ku-education. And hayi ngalendlela ecabangayo wena ngiyazi wena untshetse okay sizofaka imali ema-primary ema-high school nasema-university. Fine, lokho ku-right. What about labantu abagodi kwimisebenzi yezandla? Why bona singabaphi lama necessary skills abawadingayo ukuze benze lento abagodi kuyona? Ngoba mangase sisize nabo labo bantu bangakwazi ukuvula amabhizinisi azothuthukisa iSouth Africa, avule imisebenzi for abantu base South Africa, and then ikati liyaphuma eziko. iSouth Africa inayo imali. Why not invest in ama-SME? Mangithi ama-SME ngiqonda ukuthi ama-small and medium sized businesses. Si promote labantu abanomqondo ngezebhizinisi. Let's say if iSouth Africa ibinabantu abawu-5 abanjengo Mr. Patrice Motsepe. Let's say iSouth Africa ibinabantu abawu-10 abanjengo Mr. Ramaphosa. Bingaba njani i-economy? Bese ngeke si-improve. Bese nga-improve. Liphume ikati eziko. Ngilwa nalokho mina because you don't understand ukuthi baningi abantu eSouth Africa who are unemployed, abangenamali, abaphiliswa uhulumeni. Leyo nto iyakujabulisa wena. Iyakujabulisa wena leyo nto mbukele. Mina as a youth